With an air zone free to roam, there is possibly no more effective weapon than the heavier rotor drone, which are capable of carrying heavier and multiple payloads. Letting warheads to strike the equipment from the lowest armored section, being able to use as many warheads as it takes to destroy the equipment, which usually isn't that many striking from above, taking out numerous armored vehicles and tanks sometimes in one go, with some exploding instantly after the strike. Letting the heavy drone to shake a bit before continuing the hunt for more Russian equipment, leaving a lot less for tomorrow. That's all I had for this video. Please like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Bye.